Hi everybody, it's Teresa at LASIK of Nevada. I just want to take this quick moment to invite you to our open house that we're going to have on June 19th. If you have been thinking about LASIK, this is the perfect opportunity to come see us at our practice here in Reno. You'll get to meet our staff, we'll get to meet you, and Dr. Rothman will be here. You can ask him any and all questions that you might have. We're going to give you a tour. We want to show you all the different equipment and the technology that is used for these procedures. We'll do an exam on you because we want to see if you're a candidate for either our LASIK or PRK procedure. We have some amazing discounts for the people that come to the open house and book those appointments. We have host Connie Ray. Connie Ray will be here. She'll give away gift cards. She's going to give away Reno rodeo tickets. We'll have appetizers. We'll have drinks. This is just a great opportunity for you to come see us here at our practice. Ask any questions that you may have. See how the whole process works. If you're interested in joining us, click on the link below. We have very limited space, so we want to make sure you get your information in. We'll send you that RSVP to secure your spot. So thank you again for your interest at LASIK of Nevada, and we look forward to meeting you here at our practice.